Hi guys, it's Dr. Raman here. I hope you all are fine. This video is for the students who are preparing for their upcoming exam and the exam date is not coming. And that exam might be NEET PG, INI CET or even NEET UG, any engineering entrance exam or any other exam. Because all the students are in a similar frame of mind. They are relaxed, they are not thinking about the future, they are wasting time and सबसे dangerous चीज़ है they are giving excuses and they are settling for minimum. Yes, the current situation is daunting. COVID cases rising and falling, second wave going, third wave coming, exam getting postponed, exam date not announced yet. But friends, what can we do? We cannot waste our valuable time just sitting at home. Yes, the doctors and the healthcare workers are doing their duties, they are managing COVID patients, they are doing their regular duty as well. The businessmen are doing their duties, they are doing their job. The employees are working also, be it from work from home or work from office, whatever be. But everyone is doing some work and their life is in a progress. But we, the students, we are not even working, we are not earning, and we are not even studying properly. Then what the hell we are doing sitting at home? We are just finishing one web series and jumping into another. We are randomly scrolling Facebook, WhatsApp, and we end our day with a lot of negative thoughts. Our career is not progressing anywhere. My dear friends, your exam is postponed. It is not cancelled. Your preparation is almost done, but you still haven't got the rank that you desire for. Your career is not secured yet. Just remind a thing. Exam is an opportunity. Bigger the exam, bigger is the opportunity. And exam of this stature, like I told before, NEET PG or NEET UG, INI CET, any engineering entrance exam, law entrance exam or any other entrance exam, it can decide your life. It can dictate you what you are going to do in next 30 or 40 years. Then why you are putting your career at stake? Why you are wasting time? Then start studying seriously again. You have to be at your absolute best to cross over the line. Anytime exam date might be announced. Exam date announce होगा, उसके एक महीने बाद exam होगा. Then you will panic. मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला, मैं लास्ट 4-5 महीने उतना अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा, नेक्स्ट साल देख लेंगे. क्या फ़ायदा? You have to be at your absolute best in next 2-3 months. So start preparing once again and start reading seriously. Yes, it's hard, it's difficult, it's not easy. But remind one thing, if you do what is easy, your life will be hard. But if you do what is hard, your life will be easy. All the successful person in their own profession are obsessed with a similar common thing, and that is a daily routine. Make a routine. Adjust the study hours in between, and rest of the thing will automatically take care of. And avoid using phone as much as you can. If you use it in a productive way. To be frank, life is not only about studying an exam. There are bigger things ahead in the life. But bigger things तब होगा जब लाइफ में सक्सेस मिलेगा और लाइफ जब सिक्योर्ड होगा. एग्ज़ाम का चैप्टर इस साल ख़त्म करो, क्यों फिर से और एक साल वेस्ट करना चाहते हो? कब एक साल के बाद एग्ज़ाम होगा पता नहीं. Okay, hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends if it is helpful. And if there is any query, then comment down below or you can inbox me at Instagram. My Insta ID is Dr. Raman Saw, this, and the link is given in the description. And I am glad to announce that I have opened one new radiology channel in Instagram and I give daily radiology posts there. You can come and join there also. So stay happy and stay healthy. Take care.